So today I am sharing my weekly skincare routine that has helped me heal my skin. I will start with this Organic Harvest Acne Control Face Wash. This is very affordable and suits my skin perfectly. It is a very mild cleanser, cleans my skin without drying out. It does control my acne because I have not got any major breakout since I started using this. I have been using this rose water toner from La Organo for a while now. This toner is so refreshing and hydrating for my skin. This one smells amazing, guys. I am completely addicted to this toner. Anytime I wash my face, I spray this on my skin. Makes my skin feel so supple and smooth. It's very refreshing. I use this activated charcoal Dead Sea mud mask from La Organo every once a week. This cleans out my pore, removes dead skin cell and reduces my oiliness. The Dead Sea mud in this mask has healing properties. Absolutely love this mask. Makes my skin feel very soft and smooth. I apply a very thick layer of this mask to my face and leave it on for 20 minutes. I have already done a detailed review of this mask on my channel. If you have missed it, I will put the link in my description box. I will leave this mask for around 20 minutes, not more than that, and then I will wash it out. Before washing my face, I will spray the rose water mist and massage for around 1 minute. It acts like a scrub or exfoliator that will remove all the dead skin cell from my skin. It will act like a charcoal scrub. Today I am using this face sheet mask from Kaya Youth. It is very hydrating and very moisturizing. I use it only once a week because I have oily skin, but I use it only when I have applied a face mask and I have exfoliated my skin, because we do need to hydrate our skin after using a face mask. It deeply hydrates my skin and returns the moisture to my face. I leave it on for no more than 10 to 15 minutes. Before removing this sheet, I like to massage my face for a few minutes. I will let it dry on my skin for around 5 minutes. It is completely dried now. Again, I will spray my rose water mist. I am truly loving this mist a lot. It refreshes and makes my skin feel very healthy. You should try this one. If you have oily skin, you will definitely love it. I use this under eye gel from Mother Sparsh. It hydrates my under eye area and also is very soothing and has a very calming effect. May reduce under eye darkness, but I have not noticed any such effect. I have been using 10% vitamin C serum with AG 1% from Minimalist. This is the only serum I have been using for past 1 month, both daytime and nighttime. I will do a full review on this serum. Stay tuned to my channel. This vitamin C serum is truly an amazing serum and it is very gentle on my skin. I have been using it for a month now and I will do a complete detailed review of this serum. I have been using this oat moisturizer from Minimalist for past 6 months now. This is my second tub and I absolutely love this one. Very soothing and suits my oily acne prone skin perfectly. I have already reviewed this moisturizer on my channel. If you have missed it, I will put the link in my description. I use this aloe vera gel from La Organo every night on my face. This is truly a magical product. It heals our skin overnight, guys. It soothes my skin and reduces any tiny pimple or texture on my cheeks and forehead. This is the best sleeping mask. If you have sensitive skin and you cannot use anything on your skin, try using this aloe vera gel. You will love it. Guys, no routine is complete without a lip balm. I use a thick layer of this lip balm from Himalaya every night on my lip. It makes my lip feel extremely soft and smooth. I love this one. That's it, guys. Some of the products that I use once a week, and some of the products I use every day. All these products has helped me heal my skin. I will provide all the links in my description box. I will see you next week.